I'll say good morning.
Good morning! Daday? Daday Alin? Daday Alin?
Tara dito. Mawalay pangit ah. Carabao.
Balot!
Hello everyone, so we're going to our neighbor's house to see their condition, and if anyone on my live wants to participate for this project, we are really appreciate it. And let's go. And we have Jonah here to
Balat kayo dyan!
it's eggs. To give eggs.
15 pesos kada isa.
Mura lang yan.
Saan po bahay nila? Ay, ito pala.
May manok kayo, te.
Pwede exchange na lang.
Okay, so this is our first time to be here, and I've seen they have chicken here.
I'm a business-minded, so they have chicken. We will exchange for the egg. Just kidding.
Shamir and Aaron.
Ay, ang bigat pa yan.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you. No, that's for the mama. Thank you. Very big.
Oh, I will take the chili.
Oh, yeah. They don't see it yet.
And also they have papaya.
Ilan yung manok niyo, te? Isa lang? Ano? They only have one hen. Meron pang dyan,
Papaya. Potato na.
So she said they got rice,
Ito, anong nilihin mo?
rice, but it's still the bean. The beans.
Iba-iba.
The rice that still have something husk. So they're the one who will.
Sacks of rice, but they need to do meaning.
Okay, so they have rice. Pag may rice, ano na kayo, hindi na kayo nyo na kailangan ng rice. Meron na talaga
What
kayo.
kind of rice is it? Is it corn rice? Anong rice yun? Paano lang nalalaman na?
Kanin nga! Bigas nga! Bigas!
Bigas! May iba't ibang klase ng bigas. There's a different name of rice. There's a Princess Mia, right? Right, guys?
Ano lang, local lang talaga.
I'm just curious. How they know why they giving a name like there's a Leon name of rice, Princess Mia,
That's so
Brenda. How come? Tell me, guys. Tell me if you know. If you are. Ano? Tulungan mo ko.
If you are rice,
That is.
rice professional.
If you are
Professionalist.
working at rice field, you should tell me how do you define?
How you
or-
name it?
Yeah.
Vibrant kasi.
Okay, guys.
So, asan yung mga anak mo? Yung, the children is this, 15 years old,
Say it, your name.
9, oh yeah, 9, 12 over there, with the white t-shirt, 11, and the 8.
You were like, hi, my name is. I'm 15.
My name is 15. Okay, so rice, they're good. They're good for rice.
Yeah,
Ang,
they have plenty of rice.
paano tayo pag mayroong ano kayo? Monggo, alam mo yung monggo? Munggo, okay lang.
Munggo beans.
Tapos mga pampalasa, ganun oh. Okay na yun. Saka may malunggay naman kayo dito, di ba?
Then, if we donate pork or
Pork.
any meat,
French accent, pork.
so they don't have refrigerator for those who wants to participate. You have electricity ate, di ba? Mapadagdag ano yan.
Oh my God. Dagdag kuryente. Magkano kuryente niyo per month? 3 plus 3,000? Hindi. 300.
Grabe ka naman yung treat.
Kulang po yun. Ilaw lang. Ilaw lang.
Yeah guys, so that they have food to stock in the refrigerator, you know. Especially meat. They need meat because they're always eating vegetables.
But
That's
good
only
for them.
the easy food we can eat here in province.
Minsan.
So we need meat.
Ayaw, do. Ayaw ka buang do. Daghang tao. Ihawa kiri-kiri. Ihawa kiri-kiri. It's a cute color. Brown. Oh yeah. Kiri-kiri.
Ay, sa bulong.
Ilan taon natin mo?
Ooh, wants to play, oh.
Ha?
$1,000 million. $1,000 million.
I can see myself when I was a child.
Pero ano na, nag-asawa na.
Like it's my face when I was a child.
Ate nga to mo.
Oh, you will see my face when I was a child. That's what I look like.
Nagsa-sideline mo na.
I promise you. I have my memory. Yes, I will show you.
Hindi.
Ako na ang sapatos. Oh, no,
Belly rub, belly rub. Tap, tap.
Allergic sa mga ano nila. Yung baligo.
Dati kasi pusa ako.
Pusa ka? Ikaw yung naging pusa.
Hello. What are you guys working on there? Just I see. Okay. Over here. Stay over here. Found something else? Still there? Whoa! Wow! Oh! Whoa! Wow! Here, just move those out of the way. I'll hold it for you, okay? Is that what you had to do there? Okay, I'll hold it.
Nothing.
You find it? Something. It's going off right there. Oh, yeah. Here, I'll hold it for you.
Yes. Wala na. Yan ang gusto ng ice cream. Blue one.
Green.
Not blue.
Green. Green.
Blue.
Green.
Only blue.
Green. Mira, what color is that ice cream?
Green.
That's what I thought. Green.
Asan si Mama? Sa pang pinipis. Nana. I eat ice cream. Asan? No.
So the owner of the store, where we often buy evening supplies, i.e. beer, said ask the owner here for a boat to one of the other islands. And I just saw him up here, but I think he's gone now. Maybe he's in the office there. Hello po.
Ay,
Mayong gabi.
mayong hapon.
Mayong hapon. Yeah, right. Sorry.
How's the event?
Good. Great. And then we'll come back tomorrow. What time tomorrow?
Tomorrow, maybe 3 p.m. I have in hand and then disco start at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Malingin.
Malingin Island.
Malingin Island.
Is that interesting to see?
I don't
Are there many
familiar.
people there or
Not
no?
many people.
Okay, so there's How
Every
Island.
This house is divided into three barangay.
Ah, okay. Oh,
The one
interesting.
barangay over there belongs to Talibon. Dito barangay over here belongs to Bien Unido.
The island is split between?
Yes.
I see.
Because before, this area, Bien Unido is a barangay of Talibon.
Okay.
Then so many people,
I see.
the population increasing, and then they have given the independent. So
Okay.
become a town. Yeah, okay.
Friday.
Sama bukas. Tapos sama niyo yung malakas. Ako! Malakas! Ako! Swimming ulit kayo. Say thank you, John. Thank you, John. Malakas. Thank you, John. Thank you. Isang line kayong ganyan, no? Dikit-dikit. Dito kayo dito. Ayan. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Labas ngipin.
Hindi nakalabas ngipin mo eh. 1, 2, 3. One more. Labas yung ngipin. 1, 2, 3. Smile. So that's it for today's video, and thank you for watching. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the subscribe. And don't forget that the Christian Filipina link is on our description. See you again soon, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the new people, and click the notification bell. So whenever I do live, you can ask me about, or my husband about solar inverter batteries and stuff, and about living in the Philippines, especially in the province. Thank you, everyone.
1, 2, 3, final countdown, no time to breathe. Get your mind ready, your rhymes better be on to. 掌握的节奏 bar flow， 嘴巴闭上，肩膀摇晃的特别一样。你们皱眉，这是被我逐渐带。
Absolutely.
Great job.
Great job.